What's going on,
up?
Kayleen?
Just living the dream, getting things done.
Getting stuff done. So what does your day usually entail of, Kayleen?
Oh, everything.
What do you like doing most in the day? Yeah.
I do a lot of policy changes, do a lot of behind the scenes work.
But you're on the front scenes too,
I am on the
right?
front scenes. Lots of phone calls come in. I get to talk to our wonderful clients and
Yeah.
help them out with their everyday changes, as well as upcoming purchases of homes or
You've been
quoting those things out.
you've been doing this too, which
I
is
have been doing that. Yes, I've been working on those postcards.
what do you think about them?
I think they're fun. I think they're super fun.
You're doing so good at it too.
Thank you.
How've the sales been? Have you had any chance to sell any policies yet?
Yeah, there's been a few people recently that have done some purchases.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would
It's
you
a
like
good time
something?
to buy
What, insurance?
a house and insurance, yes.
Okay.
Now that those
When is
rates
it a
are
good
coming
time to buy a house?
rates are coming down.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that's what they say.
I know. Like the realtors and mortgage brokers, they always say it's a good time because they don't have a job if it's a bad time, right?
Yeah.
Is it a great day today?
Oh, it's a great day because it's Friday and we got some weekend plans going on, so that's always good. It snowed. My kids are going to love that.
What can you tell our clients about snow and driving carefully and insurance?
Oh, just stay at home.
I love it.
Don't drive. You're safer if you don't drive.
Absolutely.
Because those people that are not insured are still out on the road. You don't want to get in an accident with those crazy
No,
people.
those aren't our clients, right?
Not our clients. No, our clients have excellent coverage.
They do. Our clients are the best.
Because we take care of them.
That's right. 100%. Reviews, coverage, etc.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thanks, Kayleen. So have a great day.
Thanks, Troy.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.